more top tips from us on Impavidus, new interior upholstery, and getting ready to leave Licata on the boat 90. In this week's episode we show you how to get your clears clear and go from this to this cheaply and easily. Well, a bit of elbow grease involved. We tell you how we went from this to this and what was involved. And we give you a few top tips on cleaning Sahara dust and making your boat go from this to this in just a few hours. So we've finally bitten the bullet. We can't stand the oh look, as soon as we start filming someone gets a weed whacker out. Yeah, we've finally bitten the bullet. We can't stand our saloon cushions covering anymore. They've lasted 5 years. We paid quite a lot of money extra to have a harder wearing faux leather to Bavaria. When we contacted them, they said it was sunlight that had damaged them. It's funny how the sunlight has only damaged them on the side where we sit. On the other side they're as new still. So the extra money we paid is a bit of a rip-off actually, but there you go, live and learn. So we found a local that can do them, and he promised a week. We're 2.5 weeks down the line now. He's not answering our text messages, so we're going to go and see him. We've got to put our masks on now as we're walking into town. So I'll switch off for a minute. We might do some filming in there, we'll see. So we've been in and we didn't run the camera because clearly we had to be slightly forceful in Cindy's going to get some money out of the bank. Be a little bit forceful with the guy, you know, pleasantly. Apparently his son's doing the job and he's had an argument with his son, which means that they're not talking. The awkward thing is that we've paid a deposit for the actual material, and we were going to make them ourselves, weren't we? We were. But we decided to give the local industry you know, a job, a chance to do something. But we've done the best thing and we've been reasonable, so start upping the ante now, see what happens. Yep. Right, let's go for a wander around town. Steaming up here with my mask. We're just walking down the other high street, looking for another shop and a hairdresser, because I need to get a haircut. Everyone was always telling us we need to have more knobs and knockers on our videos. So here you are, guys, knobs and knockers. Some big knobs there, darling, and big knockers.
Good display though.
I'm not going to say a word about that broom. I could do, but I'm not. We've just been up to see the man about our cushions again. Hopefully Monday we'll have them. Hopefully. Right. Bit of shopping now, dear.
Yep.
editing this video and realised I hadn't got any video shots of the new cushions, so there they are, all done. As by way of a sorry, the chap embroidered new cushions for us with our logo. Now we've just put our old cushions internals inside there. Yeah, there's a couple of bits we're not happy with, but as the foam expands, they're coming up alright. So yeah, Impavidus logo on 2 cushions, and he actually gave us a third logo on a piece of the leatherette that we've used. Now this stuff is a lot harder wearing, and it's got it's like umbrella, but it's got a 10-year guarantee on it, so it matches all our Bimini and our Dodgers and our spray hood and everything, and all the colours on the outside of Impavidus. So yes, it took 4 weeks eventually, but he was very apologetic, and he made us those 2 cushions and 2 plain cushions with the same material. Overall we're happy. It was just the time it took. Smiley face.
You're covered in cream. Not sun cream.
Clarify.
Stainless steel cleaner.
Oh, not
cream.
Marine.
Stainless.
Marine stainless.
Yeah, it's called Spick and Span. I
Ah,
actually bought that in Spain. But
there you go. That's it.
There you go. So jump on sailingsunday.com and get your marine stainless steel polish for €15.
That's a good markup. I thought you bought that off Ryan's website. So we had some strong winds yesterday, a bit of rain overnight, and look what it brought with it. It's a very fine powder, but it's actually quite abrasive, so hose time. First thing you've got to do is get rid of all that dust, and it takes a lot of water. It gets in everywhere. And then a lot of scrubbing with a deck brush and some deck cleaner or boat wash. You need to get all that dust and sand out of every moving part, every pulley, every block, all your lines, and away from all your opening windows. It takes a lot of water. And don't forget the canvas and bimini, they're important too. And finally, a jet wash with a pressure washer on all those places where the anti-slip just isn't coming up right. And with the magic of editing, when you forget to put your rib back on the boat and film it, well, you can simply reverse the footage.